Today we will discuss about 9 abdominal regions. The region surrounding the umbilicus is called umbilical region. Above the umbilical region there is epigastric region. Below the umbilical region there is hypogastric region. Towards the right of umbilical region there is right lumbar region. Towards the left of umbilical region there is left lumbar region. Towards the right of epigastric region there is right hypochondric region. Towards the left of epigastric region there is left hypochondric region. Towards the right of hypogastric region there is right inguinal region. Towards the left of hypogastric region there is left inguinal region. These are the 9 abdominal regions. Now we will discuss about the contents of each region. First, the right hypochondric region. In digestive we have liver, gallbladder, small intestine, ascending colon and transverse colon. In endocrine we have right kidney. In excretory we have right kidney. There is no lymphatics present here. Now the epigastric region. In digestive we have esophagus, stomach, liver, small intestine and transverse colon. In endocrine we have right and left adrenal glands, pancreas, right and left kidney. In excretory we have right and left kidneys, right and left ureter. In lymphatics we have spleen. Now the left hypochondric region. In digestive we have stomach, liver tip, small intestine, transverse colon and descending colon. In endocrine we have pancreas, left kidney. In excretory we have left kidney. In lymphatics we have spleen. The right lumbar region. In digestive we have liver, gallbladder, small intestine and ascending colon. In endocrine and excretory we have right kidney. There are no lymphatics and reproductive organs present here. Now the umbilical region. In digestive we have stomach, pancreas, small intestine and transverse colon. In endocrine we have pancreas and right and left kidney. In excretory we have right and left kidney. In lymphatics we have cisterna chyli. There are no reproductive organs present here. Now left lumbar region. In digestive we have small intestine and descending colon. In endocrine and excretory we have the tip of left kidney. There are no lymphatics and reproductive organs present here. Now the right iliac region. In digestive we have small intestine, the appendix, cecum and ascending colon. In endocrine we have right ovary. We don't have any excretory organs here. Reproductive, in female we have right ovary, right fallopian tube. We don't have any male reproductive organs here. Now the hypogastric region. In digestive we have small intestine, sigmoid colon and rectum. In endocrine we have right and left ovary. In excretory we have right and left ureter and urinary bladder. Reproductive, in females we have uterus, right and left ovaries, right and left fallopian tubes. In male we have vas deferens, seminal vesicle and prostate. Now the left iliac region. In digestive we have small intestine, descending colon and sigmoid colon. In endocrine we have right ovary. We don't have any excretory organs here. Reproductive, in female we have left ovary, left fallopian tube. We don't have any male reproductive organ here. This is the diagram of the 9 abdominal regions with all the organs. Have a quick look.